Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Infinix smartphone. So let's start. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your camera, and here you can see there are lots of settings here. You have to swipe right. Here it is more option. Click on slow motion here, capture slow motion videos. You have to click on it and you can see friends it is set, and now you can capture video on 1x zoom or 3x zoom. I show you how you can. First you have to simply take your phone and just enable it and make a short video. I show you a short video. And friends, you can see the slow motion video is started. This is how you can make slow motion video in your Infinix smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.